For us, the ease of use, the easy clocking in and out on your phone has been incredibly useful. I am the Director of Operations at HFCC Inc. We do housing for folks that were chronically homeless and are now housed in permanent supportive housing. So we have used OnTheClock since 2023. We wanted to have a really simple, easy way to keep time for folks that were working out here. So we heard about OnTheClock just through some research online, trying to find some small nonprofits or small groups that used different timekeeping companies that were easy, straightforward to use, and not terribly expensive. What made OnTheClock stand out for us, I think, is just like the ease of use, the fact that everyone could do it on their phones. And we did trial it, and being just a click in, click out, and then, able to easily set up areas that you could clock in, some areas that were off limits for different folks. It was just a very easy to use experience. Before OnTheClock, we were tracking time just with spreadsheets, paper and pencil, basically, right? And it just got very difficult to manage that and to scan that in, and was a lot of extra work. It was actually really easy. I think most people were like, oh, is it going to be difficult? Am I going to be able to remember? But it actually keeps their time more appropriately. You also don't get the like, oh, this person says they clocked in at 8:15. Well, I didn't see them till 8:25, and now I'm suspicious, and just kind of some of those like normal things that would come up. Everybody clocks in when they get here, they clock out when they leave. So they get paid for the entire time they're here, number one, which is really important. We want to always pay people for the time that they're working, and they don't have to try to remember, oops, what time did I get in yesterday? I forgot to write it down. For HFCC, OnTheClock has been extremely useful. We utilize the group functions. We're able to put holidays. We're able to do everybody's individual PTO, and all of it is managed in one place. And so for us, the ease of use, the easy clocking in and out on your phone has been incredibly useful.